Okay, so we're here on the campaign page, which is under the campaign tab here. And we're going to select this diaper bag reviews contest email that we've already created. Now we're going to add recipients to this email. So once we do that, the first dialog we get is to choose a list, and we're going to choose our main subscriber list. Now we could choose simply to send this to all the subscribers on our list, and that may be a good choice for many emails that you send. But in this case, we only want to send this email to people who have actually purchased our diaper bags. So I'm going to select a group or new segment. And now we're presented with this new dialog here. And this is where we get into a little bit of conditional logic, which can be a bit confusing. So let me walk you through this scenario. So first of all, it says contacts match any of the following conditions. So we have the choice here to choose any or all. And the reason for that will become evident in just a moment here. So we have a whole lot of criteria or conditions here that we can choose from. Now we're focused here on e-commerce, and we're focused on the product, the specific product that they've purchased. So now we're presented with more dialogues and more logic that we can apply here. So in this case, all of our diaper bags contain the word diaper. So that's one way that I can segment our list. There's about 30,000 people on this list. So when I update the subscriber count, I'm going to find that there are 1,500 people who match this specific criteria. So the product that they purchased contains diaper bag. Now, if we wanted to even segment further, we could say that we only want to send this to people who have purchased diaper bags since, say, the beginning of 2017. So again, we'll go down here and we'll add the purchased date. And we'll say that the purchase date was after January 1st of 2017. Now, this is where we have to be careful of the any and all. So if we say any, it's going to select anyone who's purchased a diaper bag and anyone who has purchased anything after 2017. So that's actually that would grow this number. As you see, this is going to really include essentially anyone who's purchased since January 1st, 2017. Now, if we choose all, that means that anyone on this list is going to have to match both of these criteria. They're going to have purchased a diaper bag, and that purchase date is going to be after January 1st of 2017. So that should be a smaller number. That's right. So initially we had 1,500 people who had purchased diaper bags. We have 540 who have purchased since January 1st of 2017. So this is how we can drill down and create very tight segments. There are a number of other criteria we might want to apply here. We could do it by their location. I happen to have created a group called location. Location data in MailChimp, it can be helpful, but it is not exact. So I've actually created groups around where members of our list are located, and that's important for us because we actually have a USA store and a Canadian store. So if I wanted to send this to our Canadian list only, so this is people who are in Canada who have purchased diaper bags, update the recipient again. So that's about close to 700 people. So this is how you can really drill down. One other handy bit of segmentation I'll show you, instead of product purchase, you can just choose people who have purchased any product. So if you wanted to segment your list between people who are simply leads and people who are actually already customers, you could just put purchase activity, and that's just a very simple drop down. They either have purchased or they've not purchased. So if I just select people who have purchased, they've purchased any product on our store. So of our 30,000 subscribers, 7,700 of them are actually customers. So there's a lot you can do with segmentation, particularly when you have your e-commerce store attached to MailChimp. So hopefully I've given you a taste of how you can drill down and create very specific emails that you can then target to a very specific segment of your list.